Okay, so here's part 2 of our video.
It looks appetizing.
Very good. It looks... Well, it doesn't look as good as Mess Yourselfs one, but it will be better, eh, Luke?
It'll probably taste better.
Definitely.
Let me.
I'll let Mr. L do some mixing.
No. Stand there so you...
Oven is just heating up. 160 degrees. Very appetizing. Doesn't actually look too bad on the camera. It looks a bit worse in person. It's actually, I reckon it's actually going to taste very good.
When it melts, it's going to be divine. Do you think this is enough mixing?
Hold on, let me try. Let me see.
I think I should start getting this ready.
Oh no, there's still stuff on the bottom.
I mean, like this thing. I'm getting this ready.
Yeah. Our cake might not be as big as Mess Yourselfs' cake. How big was his cake?
I don't know.
Do you even remember the video?
I watched the video last night. Oh, I can see a gummy bear.
Did his cake look like this, Luke? While he was mixing it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Did he show himself mixing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon it's ready.
Alright, now we'll be right back putting it in this. Okay.
Are we back on?
Yep.
Alright guys, we're just pouring the cake into the...
It looks actually good.
It actually looks alright. I would eat this in a restaurant. Maybe.
Yeah, totally I will. It's just like, I would prefer chocolate cake better, but yeah.
You're dead to me.
Well,
You uncultured swine.
How much is there left?
Quite a bit, actually.
And...
No, still way more. Cut doing something else. Just, they don't want to see me scraping out.
Yeah, they do.
True, that's probably why they clicked on this video, to get a tutorial or something. This is a tutorial, but we barely showed you any of it.
But...
We only showed you, like, the candy and cutting it up.
Get this, Skittles.
We're totally sponsored by
Skittles.
Betty, Chockers.
And all these candy ones.
Yeah, they sponsored us.
Oh, and use this.
Look,
that
I wish they actually
milk.
sponsored us.
I'm still recording.
It would be cool if they sponsored us, though.
Alright, and now we will chuck it in the oven. Wait, we're missing one thing. A lemon.
What, for lemon flavour? Do you have a lemon?
I don't know.
Hold on. You know it's just as good as lemon?
Blueberries. No. Where's the... No, we don't have a lemon.
Shit, did it?
Yeah, no
Putting the
beer.
cake on.
Alright.
Was the oven hot yet?
Is it hot? Alright, now chuck it in the oven.
55 minutes.
And now we'll be back in 50 to 55 minutes.